ready to turn your thoughts into actual cash. Let's dive into how you can make money with Metroopinion. First things first, you need to sign up. Head over to the Metroopinion website and look for the sign up or register button. It's usually prominently displayed. You'll be asked to provide some basic information, like your email address, username, and a secure password. Make sure to choose a strong password for your account's security. Once you're registered, the key to unlocking more surveys is completing your profile thoroughly. This helps Metroopinion match you with relevant polls. Fill out every section honestly and accurately, from demographics to your interests. Now for the fun part, taking surveys. Your dashboard will show you available surveys. Click on one that catches your eye and be prepared to share your honest opinions. Most surveys will ask questions about products, services, or general opinions. Answer thoughtfully. This isn't a quiz, and there are no wrong answers, but genuine engagement is key. You'll see points awarded as you progress or complete surveys. Accumulating points is how you earn. Metroopinion offers various ways to redeem your hard-earned points, often including cash payments via PayPal or gift cards to popular retailers. Check the rewards section to see what's available in your region. To maximize your earnings, consistency is important. Check the platform regularly for new surveys. They can fill up quickly. Some platforms even offer small bonuses for daily check-ins. Keep an eye out for any mobile apps. Metroopinion might offer this. Makes it even easier to take surveys on the go, transforming your downtime into earning time. Remember, your opinions are valuable. By consistently participating in surveys on Metroopinion, you can build up a nice supplementary income stream. So, start sharing your insights and get rewarded. Happy surveying!